What if I told you that confidence isn't something you're born with? It's something you accidentally forgot how to use. Seriously, think about it. When you were a kid, you didn't overthink whether your drawing was good enough to put on the fridge. You didn't rehearse your hello before playing with other kids, but somewhere along the way, doubt crept in. And now, that voice in your head says, what if I fail? And what if they laugh? But here's the truth. Confidence isn't about being fearless. It's about trusting yourself anyway. And today, I'll show you exactly how to rewire your brain to do it faster than you'd expect. Because right now, you might be thinking confidence is for lucky people, the naturally charismatic, the extroverts, the ones who have it all together. Nope. Confidence is just a habit, and habits can be hacked. So let's break this down into 3 simple steps you can start today. No pep talks, no faking it till you make it. Just real, practical shifts that actually work. Love this? Hit subscribe for more effortless growth hacks. I drop new videos every week to help you unlock your potential without the fluff. Step 1, the 5-second rule. And no, it's not about dropped food. Step 2, the mirror trick. Hint, it's not what you've heard before. And step 3, the who cares experiment, my personal favorite. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll have a tiny but mighty tool to silence self-doubt when it hits hardest. Step 1, the 5-second rule. Here's the science. Your brain is wired to sabotage confidence the moment you hesitate. But if you act within 5 seconds, you bypass the panic. So next time you feel that freeze, maybe before speaking up in a meeting or approaching someone new, count backward, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then move. Your brain literally can't panic and act at the same time. Try it today. If you've ever pretended to text to avoid small talk, comment guilty below. Let's turn those awkward moments into confidence wins together. Step 2, the mirror trick. Now you've probably heard affirmations don't work, and they don't, unless you do this. Stand in front of a mirror, say your name in one undeniable strength like, I'm Alex and I figure things out. Do it right after a shower or brushing your teeth. When your brain is most receptive, it sticks. Step 3, the who cares experiment. Here's a mindset shift. What's the real cost of embarrassment? Spoiler, less than you think. Your challenge today, share an unpopular opinion. Maybe say, I hate avocado toast, or I don't like TikTok. Notice how the world doesn't end. That's confidence. Tag someone who needs this. Confidence is contagious. Share this with one person who thrived with Artful Vision Studios' effortless growth strategies. Be the spark that ignites their transformation. Confidence isn't about being ready. It's about showing up unready and trusting yourself to handle it. So try one of these steps today. Then hit reply and tell me which one surprised you. And if this helped, share it with someone who needs to hear you've got this, even if that someone is you, rewatching this at 2 a.m. See you next time. Love this? Hit subscribe for more effortless growth hacks. I drop new videos every week to help you unlock your potential without the film.